Okay, open it now. And that is from Auntie Juliet, Janelle, and Uncle Junior. Yay!
Yay!
You can't open it. It's so close together.
Money!
Money! How much is that?
10.
100.
100.
Girl, we going shopping.
Hey guys, wagwan, welcome to another video. Guys, it's April, you know. I see that little baby in our hand. I feel her birthday. I come up right now. It's actually 2 days before her birthday.
Yep.
Zion, what do you want for your birthday?
I want a car with Mom.
You want a car like Mom?
Yes.
Oh wow. Okay guys, you hear it? You want a car like Mom.
Wow.
So I guess we have to go.
Just hide over.
I guess we're gonna go to the dealership. 4-year-old want a car like Mom.
Wow.
Wow.
Girl got taste.
I guess. All right, guys. So we're heading out to get a gift for Zion, and we will let you know where we're at when we get there. Big up on yourself. So, guys, why do you want a car like Mom's? You're gonna make Mommy drive your car? Okay. What color did you want? What color car do you want? Oh, you want a red one?
We're going to get rainbow red.
I thought your favorite color was pink.
It's a rainbow like a car.
Okay. Alrighty.
How about red?
How old are you gonna be now? Gonna be 4 now?
Yeah, I'm going to be 4. Look.
That's 4?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Awesome. Can you spell your name for us now?
Huh?
Can you spell Zion? Yeah, Z-I-O-N Zion. Awesome. Alright, so you said you wanted a car like Mom, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where am I recording that?
Oh, it's a car. Look. There. Hey, you.
Alright guys, so we're here with our guy Kadira from the Benz dealership, and we're just gonna take a look around, see if we find anything for Zion, and we're gonna take you along with us, okay? So Kadira, we'll take a look around. If we find anything, we'll let you know, okay? Perfect. Alright.
I said call your friends, it's your birthday. How you celebrate in the worst way? Working with my heart, please don't hurt me. I can't do too much.
Are you excited? What color car did you want? You want a white car?
I would do a car.
A red car?
Yes.
Okay guys, so we found the car.
Yep.
I think she's gonna be so excited.
For real. So yeah, they're detailing it and cleaning it and all that stuff.
Fans and need your bands to make it work. I don't need ice and need your price to make it work. I don't need your love and need your drugs to make it work. I don't need your call me for life. I don't need your love and need your buzz to make it work. I don't need your smile if you think that I'm a flirt. I don't need your liquor. I don't need your strip club. I don't need your I'm minding my it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So call me for life.
Zion just got her nails done. Yes. Oh wow, and her toes. And she is loving it, right guys?
Make it work.
Make it
To
work.
make it work.
Make it
I don't need your love
work.
to make it work.
Make it
So call me
work. Call me
for life.
for life. I right up on ya. No Bugatti, nah. I'm nice to meet ya. I'm with my team.
Alright guys, so that's the end product. I didn't want to put too much heat on it, you know, to damage her hair, but as you can see, I really feel like she needs a haircut. Zion, want to turn around so they can see the back of your hair? Yes guys, so as you can see, definitely she needs a nice trim. We got a surprise for you. Don't look. Are you excited?
Happy birthday, Zion.
For me?
Yes, for Princess.
Okay, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zion. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Princess, I will take you to your table. See, you got a number 4 balloon. Is that beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like the balloon?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
All right.
How old are you, Zion?
4.
You're 4?
Yeah.
Awesome.
And when is your birthday?
It's April 10th.
April
Awesome,
10th.
awesome.
Nice. We got lots of gifts.
That's
for
it. Look at that
Zion.
big one.
I
Wonder
wonder
what's in that big one, Zion?
They all wanna be I got favor. What's my flavor? Who is you now? Just my behavior. Ain't no disrespect. Ay, no ego flex. I'm verified. Came with the brown eyes. I said, call your friends at your birthday.
All right, here we go. Don't blow yet. No, don't blow. See, I just was so eager to blow the candle, huh?
Zion, look. It's pretty, right? All right, so on 3, we're going to sing Happy Birthday.
All right.
Ready? Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday,
dear Zion.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, but
No, you have to make a wish first. Make a wish.
Zion don't even know what wishes mean.
Blow it.
Okay, your wish is to blow it?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and
Okay, blow his eyes. Good job, Zizi.
All right, so it's time to cut the cake. Aji, you're gonna cut it with her?
Hold
on.
Oh, you cut it with her now.
All right. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna stick that there.
Okay.
Hold on. And we're gonna stick this right there. Does it go all the way down? Ooh.
So ready on 3.
Hold it. You hold it. And on 3, we're gonna go down. Okay?
Okay.
Be careful.
Hold on. Hold on. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yay! Good job, Zion. Zion, good job. Okay, where's Zion's piece?
All right, so I'm gonna put Zion's piece right here. I'm not good at this.
I celebrate in the worst way. Working with my heart, please don't hurt me. I can't do too much cause it's Thursday. I don't need your hands, I need your bands to make it work. I don't need your ice, I need your price to make it work. I don't need your love, I need your drugs to make it work. I don't need your call me for life. I don't need your subs, I need your buzz to make it work. I don't need your smile if you think that I'm a flirt. I don't need your liquor, I don't need your stripper. I don't need your I'm minding my it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. So call me for life.
Make it work.
Make it work.
Guys, guess what time it is? Presents time! Okay, which one do you want first? This one, or because you're 4, you get 4 gifts from us. So you want to open this one first?
Yeah.
Okay. I wonder what it is.
Wow!
Zion excited with the box alone.
Wow!
What is
Wow.
that? Hold on.
What is that,
Hold
Zion?
on. Let me help you. Hold on. Let me get this
That's
out.
another necklace?
But guess what's on there?
It's got your name, Zion. Look.
What's that?
Show the camera, Zion.
Show it to them.
Wow!
Show it to
Wow.
them. Hold it.
Hold it and show the camera, eyes.
What's on there? Can you read it?
Yeah.
Read it.
C-I-O-N Zion.
Okay.
Right.
Ooh, let's see what we get. Rip it, girl.
Wow.
Rip it. Rip it, girl. Yeah, girl. Yeah. What's that?
It's not a surprise
It's a fashion doll.
Can you show the camera?
Sure, turn it around. Cheese.
Wow!
Look at the camera, princess.
Look at daddy.
What the heck?
Now, what about this one? Okay, open that one. Pull it out. And open it. Let me read what it says first. It says, a wish from the heart for a wonderful birthday, for joys that are many and cares that are few. Okay, open it now. And that is from Auntie Juliet, Janelle, and Uncle Junior. Yay!
Yay!
It's so close together.
Money!
Money! How much is that?
10.
100.
What's 100?
Girl, we going shopping. Here's the other one. Ooh.
This one look like piano.
What's this one?
That's a dog.
It's a dog.
Daddy.
Oh my god.
That's a dog. Oh
It's a
my
big
god.
one.
Barbie?
Barbie.
That's Barbie.
Oh my
God,
god.
that's Barbie.
That one's so big.
That's Barbie.
Oh, you got a Barbie. You love it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I love it too. Okay, drum roll. Da, 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 da. We have one more. We got one more. I got one more gift.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Where am I recording that?
I said call your friends, it's your birthday. How you celebrate in the worst way? Working with my heart, please don't hurt me. I can't do too much cause it's Thursday, yeah. I can't say too much cause my feelings not alone. I just want some real, but I'd rather be alone. I don't count my time, count my blessings on my own. I don't need your kind if it's stressing and I don't need your fans, I need your bands to make it work. I don't need your ice, I need your price to make it work. I don't need your love, I need your drugs to make it work. I don't need your call me for life. I don't need your love, I need your buzz to make it work. I don't need your smile if you think that I'm a flirt. I don't need your liquor, I don't need your stripper. I don't need your fofo, I'm minding my It's my birthday. It's my birthday.